Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Yagata Emmanuel. I am a student here at the Institute Worldwide College. I am pursuing hospitality course. I am happy to be here with you today. I would like to share a speech about personal hygiene. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity today. Today, I would like to talk a very important topic in our daily work, which is personal hygiene, especially for those of us working in hotel or restaurant kitchens. First of all, it is important to understand that personal hygiene is not optional. It is a responsibility. The food we prepare goes direct into our customers' bodies. Therefore, our level of cleanliness has direct impact on the health of our customers. The reputation of the hotel or restaurant kitchens and even our owner jobs. Personal hygiene starts with your body. Kitchen employee is required to bathe daily, wear clean uniform, and ensure that hair is properly tied or covered with a kitchen hairnet or cape. Fingernails should be short, clean, and without nail polish, as long or painted nail can have dirt and bacteria. Secondly, hand washing is extremely important. Hands must be washed with clean water and soap before starting work, after using the toilet, after handling garbage, after sneezing, coughing, or touching the face, before and after handling food. Proper hand washing helps prevent the spread of disease such as diarrhea, typhoid, and food poisoning. Third, kitchen staff should not work while sick, especially if they have fever, typhoid, vomiting, open wounds, and severe coughs. It is very important to report early illness to the supervisor early so that late action can be taken. Hiding illness puts the customer and fellow workers at risk. In addition, kitchen staff should avoid behavior such as eating or chewing gum in the kitchen, smoking, sneezing or coughing without covering the mouth, touching food with bare hands when gloves are required. In addition, this action will reduce the risk of the food contamination. In general, personal hygiene is a sign of professionalism, responsibility, and the respect of the customer. Customer may not see us in the kitchen, but they experience the results of our cleanliness through food we serve. In conclusion, I would like to say, cleanliness is health, and health is the foundation successful food business. Thank you very much for listening.
Thank you very much.
Institute Worldwide ni chuo kinachojipambanua kwa ufundishaji wa kozi za hotel management, food and beverage service, hotel housekeeping, food production, front office operation. Institute Worldwide ni chuo kinachoongoza kuwa na idadi kubwa ya wahitimu wanaofanya kazi katika hoteli na migahawa yenye hadhi ya juu kimataifa, 5 stars. Usiwe na wasiwasi, kwani mwanafunzi atapata ushirikiano mzuri awapo darasani. Mwanafunzi atapelekwa hotelini katika hoteli bora na kwa wakati. Na kama haitoshi, baada ya mafunzo ya nadharia na vitendo, mwanafunzi atapewa connection za ajira ndani na nje ya Dar es Salaam. Kwa nini uchague Institute Worldwide? Mkufunzi wa chuo ndugu Paulo Bagenyeka ni mbobezi wa masuala ya hoteli. CV yake inasomeka miaka 15 ya kufanya kazi katika hoteli mbalimbali, katika idara zote na katika nyadhifa mbalimbali. Karibu sana Institute Worldwide. Tunapatikana Msasani Mwai Kibaki Road, jirani ya ubalozi wa Marekani. Lakini pia tupo Bagamoyo Road, Bunju A kwa Baharia. Wasiliana nasi kwa simu namba 071693 07642570 au 0764089676. Facebook Institute Worldwide College. Email instituteworldwide2006@gmail.com. Wote mnakaribishwa. Institute Worldwide, learn for life.